On medium to low heat, coconut oil 2 tablespoons, Asafoetida hing 1/4 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, 1 whole red chili, few curry leaves. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Onion 1 large, sliced. Sauté onions until translucent. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Sauté for few minutes. Tomato 1 medium, chopped. Salt to taste. Sauté for 3 to 5 minutes. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Mango powder 1/2 teaspoon. Roast it well. Water 3/4 cup. Cook for 2 to 4 minutes. 3 raw banana sliced. Mix well, cover it and cook for about 10 minutes on low heat. Few coriander leaves, chopped, mix well, and raw banana stir fry is ready. Ready to serve.